Morning light on Uglyville. Ox wakes up so calm and still. Moxie's kite is in a knot. Ox unties it every spot. Wage has boxes tall and tall. Ox holds steady so they don't fall. One by one he lends a hand, helping all across the land. But little by little his light grows low. His ears droop down, his steps go slow. Nobody sees, but Ox can tell. I need a little while for myself. Just a little while, just a quiet place. Just a breath, a tree, a smile on my face. Resting isn't gone, resting isn't far. Just a little while to remember who you are. Under the tree, a leaf drifts down. Soft green glow all around. Breathe in slow, breathe out long. Little by little, Ox grows strong. Ears lift up, his hands feel new. Sky is wide and the sky is blue. Not the same and not undone. Ox is ready, warm as the sun. Just a little while, just a quiet place. Just a breath, a tree, a smile on my face. Back to help his friends, back to lend a hand. Just a little while, and now he understands. Moxie yawns a great big yawn. Wage sits down upon the lawn. Ox sits too, no need to fix. Just three friends and a quiet mix. Breathing in, breathing out. That's what resting's all